Hey kids, this is summer 2020 and I wanted to see whether we can grow some seedlings from the seeds. So here is okra, it's also called as lady's finger in India, and some bean seeds, and we are going to put soil into these small containers and also these containers. Now why we have some transparent containers? Because we can see the roots growing out of them, hopefully, and these ones you cannot see them, but still we can grow many more using that setup. One important thing that you should notice, in these containers there has to be some type of water escaping the soil, otherwise it will get too wet, so we have to put holes, and in these containers the holes are already at the bottom, whereas in these we have to put it. Okay, but if you are going to do that, take help from adults because we don't want to hurt ourselves. Okay kids, here we are. I have put two seeds in each compartment. Now why did I put two in each? Because we don't know whether this seed will grow or this seed will grow. Okay, maybe both will grow and we can always remove one, but then if we don't put two seeds and if we put only one seed and if it doesn't grow, then it's a problem because we will be losing all the effort that we spent on this small container, right? Because we put this much soil, this much water, and this much amount of plastic, and my time, all of them will go to waste. So we really have to make sure that there is at least one plant. So to make sure that there is at least one plant, we put two seeds. So here there are a bunch of beans that I have put. Actually the original color is white color. They put some rose color paint on it, so everything looks rose. And here another type of beans, which is brown beans it seems, but it will also grow into bean plants. So these are all beans. And here I have okra, that is that in Tamil we call it as vendakai. Okay, those seeds again I have put two. Maybe I will add a little more. Actually in this one there are three. You can see here, one and then two and then three, so we have kept all these seeds here. Now we have to just kind of push them inside gradually so that they are ready to grow. Okay, and then we are going to put some more soil on top and we will cover it up with water. We are planting this on May 17th, 2020. So I have written the date here and I am going to put it next to these seeds that are here and we will see how they will grow up. Okay. On May 17th, 2020, we had planted some okra seedlings and it has been a week. Today is May 24th. And in the okra section, there is a light amount of green seedlings that are emerging. So hopefully these are the okra seedlings and we will see what happens. Now we also had planted green beans. That one is here and you can see a lot of germination here over a 7-day period, and here it is brown color beans, and there is also some germination over there. And if you look closely into the beans, you can see the germination happening there, and hopefully we will get to see a lot more roots that will germinate and that will kind of develop over here. Okay, so I'm kind of excited. It has been a week and let us come back in another week and see how much amount of growth we can see here. This is okra, this is beans. Hey guys, we planted some seeds on May 17th and today is June 4th. So it's about 19 days. So what has happened to our seeds that we planted? As you can see here, the bean seeds that we planted, they have kind of germinated reasonably well, whereas the okra seeds, they did not germinate at all. What is the reason? The reason is both the seeds have seed coats. Now the seed coat in case of beans can easily tear, and then that means they can easily germinate, whereas the okra seed coats are pretty hard and they are small seeds, but the coat is so hard that you have to break it. Now there are various ways how you can make a small hole in that okra seed so that they germinate. You can put a small hole per se on top of that seed coat. Otherwise you can soak it in water, put it in the freezer, and that when ice forms it will kind of make that seed coat a little damaged so that they will start germinating. That's what we heard, but we did not do any of them. That is why you don't see any germination at all when it comes to okra. Whereas beans, it has germinated reasonably well. As you remember, we put 2 seeds in each and every one of these compartments. Now, in this one there are 2, in this one 2, in this one there are 2 that germinated, in this one 2 germinated. So all the 8 seeds that we put in this 4 compartment germinated. That's great. But it is not the same case. For instance, if you take this one, here also we put 8 seeds, but only 1 germinated. These are not beans, but this is the only bean plant that you see here. Now, what is the reason? The reason is the seeds were a little older, and older seeds may not germinate at the same level. Similarly, here we had put 2 have germinated, whereas in these 2 we had put 2 each, but only 1 has germinated. So you can say that here the germination rate overall looks like about 50 to 60%. That is, about half of it has germinated and the other half did not germinate. So what are we going to do next? We are going to plant them. Okay? So hopefully they will grow well and we will get a lot of beans. See you. Hi. When you do gardening, you can also learn mathematics. For instance, we can understand how to add seed numbers. Here we have put 2 seeds. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. Okay, wow. Now we can also calculate in a different manner. For instance, there are 4 in one row, and there are 4 columns. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4, it's 16. Okay, wow. So that is how you do mathematical multiplication. So multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 4 times 4 equal to 16.